Hello everyone. I welcome all of you to my channel S&T Power Vision. Till now I have covered standard visuals only in the visualization section here, these parts only. Now we will cover about some custom visuals here. So to start working on custom visual, we have to click here and get more visuals icon, that is three dot in the horizontal. Now get more visuals. Now in the search, click on play axis. Now click on add. Now we'll see message here. Oh, since we already imported this visual, so that's why we are getting this message. The report already contains a copy of this version. Do you want to update this, or we don't want any updation here? So whatever it is, that is fine. So now click on this play axis here. So a play axis is a custom visual that works like a dynamic slicer, animating your report and its visual without any user interaction. It is ideal to use on wall display or to tell the story behind the data. Now adjust its size. Now we'll make some visuals here. So first visual will take here pie chart. We'll adjust its size. On this pie chart we'll take the legendary category, and value will take the cells here. We are not working on the formatting of visual. You can do it yourself. Means if you are working on formatting, it will already take means so much time and all. So we don't want to spend our time on the formatting the visuals until unless it is very necessary. Now we make its border only just to identify it from others. Properties. The general property, advanced option, title, effects, visual borders. That's all. Now we'll take another visual, that is the stack bar chart. Now here we'll move the on the y-axis we'll move the region, and the x-axis will take the profit, and in the legend we'll move category here. Yes. Now we can see, if we want we can take other visual as well on the, that is on the effects, make visual border on here. Now we'll take some more visual, just take the area chart. On the x-axis we'll move the order date. On the y-axis we'll move the sales, and secondary y-axis will move the profit here. Okay, I think these three visuals are enough to understand the things. Now on the play axis visual we'll move the time, means order date we can take. Now remove the like month quarter, just keep the year only. So make it a bit bigger so it will be easy to look. Now we have three visual cells by category: pie chart, profit by region and category, stack bar chart, and area chart. Sales sales and profit by year. Now just click on this year. We can see here 2014, 15, 16, 17. Once again 2014, 15, 16, 17. Once again. See, we can see 2014 what is the respective value for all the like sales by category, niche, region. Now profit by region and category, and sales and profit by year. Now if we click on again play, so again we can see 2015 here. Again click on the play. Now we can see 2016. Again click on play. So year means year is changing only, and as per the year as and the respective value in that year, all the visuals means color and area is also getting changed here. So this is about the play axis. Now we'll do some more experiment here. Now we'll take a slicer. On the slicer we'll move the order date here. Now date hierarchy, quarter, month, date. Here slicer setting will go horizontal. We can see here 2014, 15, 16, 17, and in this play axis visual we'll keep the order date. So we'll remove the year. Okay, we'll keep the quarter, month. We'll keep the quarter here, and again we'll select the year 2015 here. Now we'll see the how the value are getting changed every quarter here. A quarter, as usual, quarter means first quarter stands for January, February, March. Second quarter for the April, May, June. Third quarter July, August, September. Fourth quarter October, November, December. So let's see how it works, how it moves. So quarter, see this is quarter one value. Now this is quarter two. Now this is quarter 3. Now this is quarter 4. So we saw that value are getting changing like quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Now once again quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. If you want we can take the month wise as well. Let's see. So 2014 we'll take the month wise. Okay, we can see the monthly wise how it is getting changed like January, February, March, April, May, now June, July, August, September, October, November, December month. So once again, see how the month's name are getting changed for year 2014. So this is all about the pay axis.